Okay, I believe you have already finished the practice. Now we will do some exercise. The exercise is 5.3 in your textbook, page 142. So how many times will the main content of the following loop be repeated? What will be printed in each loop? So we will consider each part. For example, A, the I equals 1 initially. So while I smaller than 10, yeah, so the first time is smaller than 10. So you are going to this part. If I divided to 2 equals 0, the remainder is equal 0, then print I, right? But in this kind of status, we will know we didn't change the I value here, so it will always true in the while conditional statements here. So it will be an infinite loop. So it will be, repeat a lot of times. Yeah, a lot of times, infinite loop. Yes, and then we will go into the next part. I equal 1, while I smaller than 10 is also the same. What's the differences between A? It's just only this part. When I divide reminder 2 and equal 0, then print I, right? So, but at the first time, I is 1, so it have no chance going to this part, right? So only when the status satisfy this equation, then the I will plus 1. So then the I will have the chance to, change and increase. But first time is 1, right? So it can be have the chance to divide it 2 and equal 0. So there was no way or opportunity make I change here. So it would also the infinite loop. So it's a trap. And it seems like it will easily can, jump or quit the loop. But actually, this I is under the condition of the if, which I have to divide it 2 and equal 0, right? So it's much better because the C case, no matter the I divided 2 equals 0 or not, the I will be plus 1. The I will increase. So one day until I will larger than 10, then it will quit the loop. So we can predict in this case, first we will print I equal to 4, 6, 8, but never 10, because if I not equal to 10, no longer smaller than 10, it will quit the loop. So it will just print 2, 4, 6, 8, and 2, 4, 6, 8 have to change line. But yeah, because actually the print I is means you will change the line. Yeah, so remember, if we have any opportunity to check the print result, we have to know that is this way, right? So it is exercise of 5.3. And also, this is another exercise. Assuming that the input value is 23450. So what is the outcome of the following code? So first, the number you enter the integer, right? First is 2 and make the number into the max. So the first 2 will be the max. So while the number not equal 0, yes, first you will not equal to 0. So the number you will ask the users to enter the integer again. So in this time, the 3 will be entered into the number. So the number 3 will larger than the max because initial the max is 2, right? So it will replace the position of the max. So after that, until the last integer 0, then it will quit, right? So every number he will ask whether it is larger than the max. If that is true, then the number will replace the position. So in this kind of a case, we have the chance to know what is the max number of the user which we enter to the system, right? So the max is which one, right? And the number here will tell the user which is the last number. Okay, the last number. So we will try this case.